Hi students, how are you? Today we are going to discuss about report writing. What is report writing? Report writing in Unit 5, third semester English. It is carried 5 marks in examination point of view. So let us discuss what is report writing. There are many kinds of reports like newspaper reports, laboratory reports, letter reports. There are many kinds, but important reports are newspaper reports, laboratory reports and letter reports. These are very important reports. Report, some information is conveyed to someone who wants it. Actually, what is doing the report writing? It conveys the information someone who wants it. The report should be easily and quickly understood by the other person. Whatever report you write, it should be understand those who read it, and a report should be clear. The first point is it should be clear. Whatever report you write, it should be clear and it should be brief, not lengthy. The report writing, it should be clear and it should be brief. And the third one is presented in an order. While you are writing report, you should write in order. Order must be there. Without order, it will be jumbled. You cannot understand the report. So it will be clear and brief, in presented in order. And the third one is arranged neatly. Report writing should follow these steps. It should be clear and brief and order, presented in order and neatly. Arranged it neatly. Let us see what is newspaper reports. Already we know that newspaper reports laboratory reports, and the third one is letter report. Letter report. The first one is newspaper reports, laboratory reports and letter reports. Let us discuss about newspaper reports. What are the newspaper reports? The newspaper report consists of many subjects. The newspaper reports consists of many subjects like politics, games and science, etc. Newspaper reports, it consists many subjects like politics, science and games, etc. The newspaper reports has to use indirect speech. While you writing the newspaper report, it should be write in indirect mode, indirect method, indirect speech. He should be able to give the gist of conversation. So in these newspaper reports, if there any conversation, that conversation should be like a summarize or gist, like a brief. And he should be brief by using certain reporting verbs like expressed, condemned, praised, declined, exhorted, criticized. While you writing newspaper reports, you should use these words to convey your views, like expressions there, condemned and praised. While writing this report, use this hints or verbs. And even sometime you should be criticized on the particular topic or article or report, or sometimes exaggeration also is there. The news will become authentic when it is confirmed by the official concerned. It should be an authentic way. The reports, it should be in an authentic way. So, but when the news is not confirmed by such authentic sources, the reporter uses the expressions like unreliable. If it is not authentic, the expression is like this: unreliable sources and unconfirmed sources. It should be two types: unreliable sources and unconfirmed sources. When it is not an authentic way. So this is about newspaper reports. Simply, newspaper reports, they are telling about politics and games and science, etc. So in this report writing, we have to follow these verbs and these words whenever you write the newspaper reports. Let us come to next part, laboratory reports. Laboratory reports. So these laboratory reports, how it would be? Before going to that, we discuss about letter report. Letter report, it should be a personal, business, an official letter. Many contain a report. The letter reports, it should be a personal, and it should be a business, and it should be an official. Maybe it contain a report, good letter like heading. You know, while you're writing, letter writing, you know that there are so many parts like heading, salutation, body of the letter, subscription, signature, and superscription. We follow these steps while you're writing letter. Like that, while you're writing report writing, that is letter report writing. You have to follow all these things, like first of all heading, like place, date, like what about it tells about what is that, and then salutation, then body of the letter, then subscription, and then signature. The last one is superscription. This is about letter report writing. Now, let us turn to laboratory writing. Laboratory reports. It says simply about science and its components and other things it is saying. Let us see introduction of the letter writing, report letter writing. Before that, we have to exercise report writing experiments. What's that? Report writing experiments. Report writing experiments. What is report writing experiments? In experiments, the information arranged under many headings, the usual headings are, it is under the heading. In that, we have to write aim of the letter report writing, aim of the letter reporting. Then apparatus, and then theory, and then method. These steps we have to follow while writing a letter report writing. This is known as report writing experiments. The aim, apparatus, and method, and conclusion. So, while you are writing your English writing, especially letter writing report, then exercise newspaper reports. Let us see example of letter report writing. Report writing. In report writing, already we discussed many things, different types of report writings. The first report writing is newspaper report writing, laboratory report writing, and letter report writing. And whenever you frame the report, you have to follow the steps. The first step is instruction. Already you write the heading, that is date, station, and the left side top corner, write the address, whom you address, the person about to address, and then salutation. The next step is salutation. Salutation of the person, like respected sir, dear sir, sir or madam. You have to follow these steps. It contains the following information. The introduction contains following information. The first information is why the report has been written. Why the report has been written. The very first point, essential point is, while writing the report, you have to write that information. The second one is, who authorized the action reported? Who is the author? Who is the authorized the reported, the action reported? The second step, the third step is what the reporter has been asked. In introductory part, you have to follow these steps. The first step is why the report has been written. The second step is who authorized the action reported. The very third step is what the reporter has been asked. In that report, what he has been asked, we have to write. The fourth step is, in the introductory part, other background information. While you write this report, you have to write other background information. This is the introductory part of the report, writing a letter. And the second part is the body of the report. It is very essential, or it is very important part in letter writing, report writing. The report presents all the facts here. In the body of the report, you have to mention the facts. Whatever the truth is going on the report, you have to mention the facts. And you should not mention your own ideas or own opinions in that report. Be careful while you writing report, especially the body of the letter. How to write or mention the facts. You should not write your own opinions or own thought. And including a large details. So you gather a large information and you have to make it brief and understandable and readable. You have to write. The next part is, while you're writing report, a letter writing, conclusion. Conclusion is very, very important. It's like a gist and it says like a summary. Okay, the conclusion contains interpretation of the facts. In report writing, it interprets the facts of the report. And the second part, in the conclusion, comments of the reporter. Comments of the reporter. The third part is recommendations. In conclusion, you have to follow these three essential things. First of all, interpretation of the facts. The second one is comments of the reporter. And the third part is recommendations. Okay. And while you're writing, especially report, letter writing. Okay. Then come to the reporting experiments. In experiments, information arranged under many usual headings. The second one is reporting experiments. Reporting experiments. There are many headings under this main heading, like aim. The aim of the report, how to mention, and the theory of the report. Then you have to follow the theory of the report. And then in experiment reporting method also you have to follow. And observation or result of the report. So while you are writing a report, you have to follow experiment reports. And the last one is conclusion. It is also like that, letter reporting, and it is a reporting experiments. Okay, these are the main important things while you are writing report. Students, it is also important question in point of examination. Don't neglect report writing. Report writing, it is very easy, just like letter writing, but it's not a letter writing. It is different from letter writing. But report writing, you have to follow all these steps, and then you will get good information from this report writing. Thank you. Report writing, we've seen that there are different kinds of reports, like newspaper reports, letter reports, and laboratory reports. Here, one of the report given for you, it is on one of the activity. Let us discuss about this letter report. Report on the possibilities of popularizing a new brand of coffee. Here, there is a salesperson who wrote a report to his managing director. So, it is written like this. First of all, already we discussed about the clarity, the briefness, and explanation, and many things. See here, while writing report to someone, you have to mention these questions. First of all, name of the place, like a station and date. And the next one is heading like this. To whom you write, the person or managing director. To the managing director, Brookband India Private Limited, Valpar, Mumbai. So this person addressing the managing director like this, sir, and then you have to write a subject. Here the subject is a report on the sales potential of our new brand of instant of coffee. A report on the sales potential of our new brand of instant coffee. So, while you are writing this report, You have to mention all these things. For example, place, that is station, and the date, the particular date, and whom you are addressing, the person, the authority. You have to mention their address, that is the true address, and then salutation, respected sir, like that. Here, the managing director, that's why he addressing sir. And then you never forget subject, that is whatever given in question, that is carries as a subject a report on the sales potential of our new brand coffee, instant coffee. And then you have to start like this: I am very glad to inform you that I have explored that market possibilities for the sales of our new brand instant coffee. So he is very happy that sales of the new brand coffee, and that's why he mentioned he is very glad to his manager. I am confident that new brand coffee, it is called Morning Pal. He mentioned here Morning Pal. Many people, they using this brand, and all of them they called it is a Morning Pal. That means it is very valuable or precious, and it is so tasty. That's why people call it Morning Pal. It will become very popular. We have distributed whatever we distributed, that is very popular. That's why people are called it Morning Pal. And some sample packets, and people say that our coffee flavor is really good. In market, people, they tasted our new brand coffee, and they say it is very tasty, and the flavor is very really good. That's why people ask many packets of new brand coffee, and experts say that our instant coffee is as tasty as decoction coffee. It is very tasty, and people are using this brand. That's why we received many calls from various places, and so I am very glad to inform you that in this way. So he write the report, the sales manager, the salesperson write this report to the manager. The sales promotion executive write this letter report to his managing director. In first passage, we have seen that many people call that the coffee, new coffee brand, Morning Pal, and he was glad for that, and he wrote the report to his managing director. In second para, we have seen that I have told many important district headquarters. The sales executive, he told many important district headquarters. Like district headquarters means, for example, West Godavari, you have to take district headquarter is Elur, like Krishna, Vijayawada, and some other headquarters. He told many places, and wherever he go, people ask the new brand coffee, instant coffee, and even appointed distributors, and he appointed many distributors various places. The sales will be bright, and so we must be in position to supply as packets as shopkeepers can call. And he said that in his report to the managing director, we are able to supply the packets as shopkeepers. And some people are asking for tin packing. And actually this coffee packet powder, it is in its sachets, but many people they are asking tin packets, and they say plastic containers also, and some of them asking it is better to fill this tea powder, coffee powder in a plastic containers, and that is good. And there must be bottles of 200 mg and 500 mg and kilo packing. It is better to make the packing not only the sachets and 200 packets and 500 mg and kilo packing, it's better. Many people they are asking this sales promotion executive. That's why he wrote this report to the managing director. And our present godown has a good and strong capacity. So you know that godown, the storage, all the tea packets, it is a good one, and better. He want to build a better one, and kindly send not less than 500 kgs of instant coffee tins and loose packets. He gave some advice or suggestion to the managing director. We can see here, there will be repeated orders of similar type, and we received many orders from various places and various godowns. So that's why he's asking, and he addressing everything in this report. So after completion of this report, and he say to the managing director, thanking you. And you know that after completion of the letter or report, you have to write like this, yours sincerely, sales promotion executive. So this is one type of report and report writing, and he's seen that we seen that example. Okay, I want to give you some activities like these reports. So write an informative report about supermarket in your area. In your area there is a supermarket, and write a report on the supermarket. And another activity is for you, write a report about a teacher student relationship in any junior college. Write a report to the lecturer or teacher, student relationship between student and the teacher, the relationship between teacher and student. Write a report on that. You students, you go through this type of report writing, you will get good marks. Okay, and the first one is for you, whenever you come to the college, you want to show that reports. Write an informative report about supermarket in your area. The second one is write a report between the student and the teacher relationship. That is second one. And the third one is write a report for a newspaper about any sports event you recently witnessed. Write a report in newspaper you recently witnessed on sports. That is also one of the report. It is come under the newspaper reports. Some reports come under the newspaper reports and laboratory reports and letter report writing. Some of them letter reports. and prepare a report of a monthly magazine reading effective films on college students. Another report writing is activity, write a report for the monthly magazine. In that you have to write regarding the effect of the films on college students. Here some reports, it is like a newspaper reports, letter reports, laboratory reports. Here this report, it says the effect of the films on the students and how they disturbed some type of films, such type of films, how they disturbed. So write these activities whenever you come to complete them, whenever you come to the college or class, you have to submit your particular teacher or lecturer. Okay. So this is about report writing. In report writing, we have to see different types of reports. Okay. And that the first one is newspaper report, laboratory report, and letter report. So this is a brief note on report writing. So thank you watching for this video.